We do things. We've employed night vision scopes out on the streets at night to see if we can spot these kids walking amongst the neighborhoods. So we're doing as much as we can creatively to try to find these kids. Why it was down for one period, again, that was just one 3-month period in 2011.
No, you're saying kids.
Pardon?
You're saying kids.
Well,
are you implying?
I'm implying that I'm old.
Oh,
So,
okay.
seems like everybody's younger than I am these days. But it could be, youngsters, it could be, teenagers, it could be adults.
So are you saying that primarily the burglary in the city of Lompoc is young adults?
I think that it is. I think it's got a lot to do with the young adults or the even juveniles that are out and about when they shouldn't be. It could be parents aren't keeping close watch on their children.
Do you have statistics for that, actual numbers?
I don't have that right now, no.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Captain.
Thank you.